or die. march on with loyalty to the vibe, to the vibe, to win a ball and fight. Hey, hey, la Ateneo, to the right there.
Thesis question.
Thesis number.
Okay, good.
Alright,
Just let's ask Amy because she's also
Was that different?
Well, yeah, it's different, especially LaSalle kasi big fan base for them. And then, so labanan din ng fans. Pero pagdating ng court, isipin lang talaga namin is, it's still volleyball, it's still a game. So yung difference lang is the crowd. So we try not to be affected much by the crowd. So we just
their
play.
rookie setter, Gia Morado.
Very, very impressive. Like what you said, she's the rookie setter and big shoes to fill from Jem Ferrer. But so far, she's doing a very, very good job. Again, not rookie numbers we're seeing from Julia. 3 points, that's already a bonus if you're a setter. But what is important is she averages 15 excellent sets. Or again, this was against USD, so those are good numbers for a rookie, and she needs to even better this performance if they want to win today against FEU.
And speaking of winning, although Ateneo has already secured the number 3 spot, we'd like to hear from Gia as to what the mindset of the Lady Eagles is coming into this match, and Selena Dagdag was able to catch up with her right before this match.
So Gia, alam naman namin lahat na rookie year mo pa lang pero napakaganda na ng performance na pinapakita mo sa aming lahat. Ano bang nagiging inspirasyon mo at anong ginagawa mo sa ensayo at ganito ang kinalalabasan ng performance mo sa mga laro?
Since first year pa lang namin, marami kaming first year, wala masyadong pressure on us. So all we have to do is play our game, as at training, every time we try to improve and find out what we have to improve on and bring it sa game.
So Gia, matanong naman kita, gaano ba ka-importante sa team na makapasok kayo sa Final Four in a manner of a winning streak?
It's important for us kasi since new core kami, new team, big achievement na talaga yung maka-Final Four kami kasi it can show what we can do sa coming years.
Thank you, Gia. Tsaka good luck sa game niya mamaya. Anton and Ian.
At syempre, Doc, mas maganda kung pumasok ang Ateneo with a winning streak rather than coming into the step ladder with a loss.
That's right, considering that they lost 5 key players last year and now they're in a good spot at third. So that's
the first-year setter na talaga naman made the difference in this game, Gia. First year ka, pero parang veterano na ang nilaro mo. Sa umpisa nitong season na to, ano bang nasa isip nyo? Anong goals nyo? And towards the end, nakapasok kayo sa finals, anong nasa isip nyo? Kasi lahat kami talagang bilib na bilib sa nangyari dito sa Ateneo.
No start na season, we just wanted to play this year and we just wanted to get to the Final Four. But now, we didn't expect now we get this far and we're just really, really happy as in, until now I'm really speechless about it. So, we really exceeded our expectations this season.
Talaga namang sobra. Yung no expectations, ito ang resulta. And maybe also, this is a chance to thank everyone.
I want to thank sila Coach Ty, sila Coach Farley, my teammates, family ko, support, my friends, and all the fans and supporters of Ateneo. Thank you so much for supporting us all the way. Thank you so much.
So, Gia, 4 na taon ka pa naming makikita. So, balik muna tayo.
Setter! Anong name mo?
Gia.
Rookie ka lang din, di ba? Pero sobrang galing mo din. Congratulations. May boyfriend? Anong school ka dati?
CSA Makati.
Pareho kayo. Di kayo nag-abot?
Nag-abot po.
Senior mo siya? Magtita siya? Magtita siya sa batch?
Takot po sa kanya.
Bakit? Sa liit niya, bakit ako siya?
Siya po captain namin.
Siya ang captain. Meron. Maganda rin ang leadership niya. Hashtag leadership. Anong name mo? Paano yung patrede natin? What's your name? Anna. Anna. Hashtag Anna. Hashtag leadership. Abangan natin yan, ha?
Ito ang mga basket.
Congrats, ikaw, sino naman ang ano? Sinong idol mo, aside from Eliza and sa mga teammates mo? Sa? And sa ano? NBA. Kahit sa balo mo, NCAA, hindi mo nakikilala yun. UAAP. Anong team siya? Yung Saturday. Di ba teammate ko siya dati? Si Pardo, kaya hinag ko siya. Oo, siya. Kasi pala yung main center.
Kita sa inyo, di ba? Ni Catherine.
Kung wala, no pressure.
Magaling.
Wala kang idol.
Ito, may pressure.
Okay, boys and girls.
Happy birthday, Picasso!
Wait, say it again.
How to mix more.
How to mix more.
What's up? Your floor is dirty. What's happening? Oh my god!
Stepmother. Ako yung stepmother. Linisin mo yan. Ayun pa. Meron pa doon. Ayun, ang daming dumi.
Faster!
Linisin ko yung...
Faster! Dolphin dive. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Okay, boys and girls. Get ready with your heels.
Get ready with your heels.
I said get ready with your heels.